Electric power starts to rise. The streets shake when he arrives. Circuits burning deep inside, feeding all his destructive drive. Mechanical arms prepare to strike. Energy blasts across the town. Every ball tears through the sky like an artificial storm crashing down. Vitriol, force of devastation, firing waves of deadly power straight into the nation. Vitriol, no one can make him stop. When his lightning cuts across, everything begins to drop. He turned his pain into fury, his fury into electricity. And now he lives consuming chaos and intensity. Screens begin to fail around him, systems breaking one by one. All the alarms are collapsing whenever his attack has begun. His hands are charged with power, like reactors ready to explode. And every strike he unleashes makes